Welcome to Collecting Chaos and the Eternal Mylite Project. I've got some Superman comics for you today. These are comics that have been in my collection for over 30 years. 30 years? Over 20 years. Yeah. Been in my collection over 20 years. Well, a couple of them been in my collection over 30 years. Let's get started. Before I start showing the comics, I just want to kind of apologize. I forgot when I did my opening video yesterday. I forgot to pick a couple of covers for the cover of the week, so there's no cover of the week this week unless we pick one out of these, and I don't think we're going to do that. Oh, so what you can do, if you watched yesterday's video and you want to pick a cover out, tell me what your favorite cover is of all of the comics you saw. And if enough people pick the same one, we'll make that the cover of the week. There you go. That's how we'll do that. Let's get started. We're going to start out with Superman number 305. This is from the 1938 or 1941 run, or whenever it started. It's from the Superman run, from the original. It's a newsstand copy. Off-white pages, nice tight staples, Kurt Swan art. It doesn't get much better than this, in my opinion. Unfortunately, the staples aren't so tight when you get into the inside of the comic. The bottom staple here is broken through the paper. Every single page. I might have to fix that. Since this one is staying in my collection, it's not a big deal. I won't have to worry about it. Yeah. I'm gonna do some minor repair on this. Matter of fact, this comic may be the subject of tomorrow's video. Quick, easy repair. I'll just take a little document repair tape and put it here and here. Reattach the cover of all the pages, and it'll be done. Won't even have to disassemble the comic. Yeah, that's kind of nasty. Every page. Oh, and I need to clean the back. Oh, that's nasty. So, yeah, this will be the subject of tomorrow's video. My cleaning video, Cleaning with Chaos. So, I'll put that one off to the side because that's not going to go straight into a Mylar. Superman 310. Another newsstand issue. Nice long crease right across here. Puts this just straight. Boom. You know, gorgeous copy except for that nice long crease. It goes all the way from here to here. That just drops it straight down to, oh, very good, in my opinion. It's got a mild, slight corner crease here. The cover's a little bit dirty. Yeah, the back is dirty too. I need to clean it. Matter of fact, I probably need to clean all of these. Off-white pages. Cover's tight. Inside staple is tight, unlike the last one I showed. Again, Kurt Swan art. Kurt Swan is one of my favorite Superman artists of all time. And he pretty much set the standard for how Superman looked for 40 years. Got Metallo looking more like Frankenstein than Metallo, but that's okay. I'm going to say these pages are cream to off-white. Yeah, like I said, a very good copy at best. Next up, oh, that has a fold, easily taken out, but it does leave a 1/4 inch crease. Superman number 324. It's a newsstand copy. Quite a few spine ticks. It's got a slight miswrap on the cover. Staples are way off where they should be as far as I'm concerned. Cream to off-white pages. Kurt Swan art. I'm not going to go through this whole comic. It's reasonably clean. Got some mild folding on it though. Probably could use a press. I've got some dimples up here that my steel ball will take out. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit to this. I'm probably going to clean it up some. I'm going to give it a fine minus. This is a Whitman variant. This came in 3 packs. Obviously, it's Whitman. Number 350, so I don't have the regular cover for this. I'm going to have to get a regular cover, and I'd like to get a newsstand cover as well as a direct market on all of these Superman. Again, Kurt Swan art. The only real difference between this and the regular Superman copies is the fact that it is technically a reprint. Although the only thing, I think what they did was they just pulled the covers off. These are light tan pages. It's a pretty clean, needs a little, yeah, it's got dirt on the back. It needs to be cleaned. Needs a press. Like I was saying, the only real difference is the cover. The inside pages are exactly the same as the regular DC Comics version. And so if you get one of these, the cover is different, that's all. I'm going to go ahead and say this one is, I'm going to put it a very good minus because it's got so many creases and dimples and just, yeah. And those tan pages really turned me off. Here's a Superman 332. I'm going to move this one off to the side for right now until I get to where it goes. The Eternity Trap. This is a direct market copy. Or, no, excuse me, this is a newsstand copy. Cover's not in bad shape. It's got some spine ticks, couple of creases, minor creasing. Needs to be cleaned. It's got a bad thing up there. Not sure where that came from. Off-white pages. Centerfold appears to be well attached. Cover is tight. Yeah. I'd give this one a fine. Very, very slight spine roll that will come out when I press it. There's a 336 bad miswrap on this one. Some people would have said it was a spine roll, but it isn't. It's a miswrap. Really dirty. Needs it, in desperate need of a clean. Got some corner creases here that need to come out, so it needs a press. And it has a Rose and Thorn story in it as a backup story. It is covers tight, centerfold is tight, off-white pages, Kurt Swan art. Oh no, it's part of the regular Superman story is Rose and Thorn. That's even better. I know all the pages are here, but I like to check anyway. Definitely needs a cleaning. Needs some love. Number 337. Bright colors. Really nice colors on this one. A lot of spine ticks. It's a newsstand copy. A little bit of cover dirt. Could use a light cleaning. Very slight spine roll. Centerfold is tight. Cover is tight. Has a fold up here. Kurt Swan art. Yeah, I'm going to give this one a very good define. Even though it has that beautiful bright colors, it's got a lot of little defects that make me drop it down some. Okay, put that there. Number 356. Nice Rich Buckler cover. Spine ticks, multiple spine ticks. Very slight miswrap, and really slight. 3-inch crease on the back. It's a lot of dirt on it. Creamed off-white pages. Cover is firmly attached. Centerfold is firmly attached. Got some strange ink marks there. Kurt Swan art. Needs a clean. This is a shame, because this would be a fine copy, but that 3-inch crease on the back. I'm going to put this down at now it's got another crease up here and one here too. I'm going to put this at a VG minus. Let's see. Number 357. Dark cover that received December 11th, 1980. That's kind of neat. It's got some spine ticks. It's a direct market, or it's a newsstand copy. I keep saying direct market when I mean newsstand. Like I said, some minor spine creases and spine ticks that are so light it's difficult to see them with the dark cover, which is kind of nice. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Creamed off-white pages. Nice tight cover. Firmly attached centerfold. Again, with the ink blotch on the center page, it's kind of weird. More Kurt Swan goodness. Ross Andrew and Dick Giordano cover. And a little. Yeah, I'll fix that. I'm going to be going through all of these comics and cleaning all of them before they go into Mylar. Let's see. I'm going to go through the rest of them a little quicker because this video is starting to get a little long. Miswrapped cover. Strip, boom, there it is, the miswrap. Daring New Adventures of Supergirl preview, number 376. Yeah, it's got a pretty good miswrap on it. White cover, it's got some creases. Overall, the cover looks pretty good. Some minor creasing along here, but only one or two break color. Creamed off-white pages. Let's see what the center looks like. Centerfold is detached. And you know what? I think it's missing the... where is it? There you go. There's the Daring New Adventures of Supergirl preview in the back. I'm going to take this one and put it up here so I can reattach that centerfold. It's got this one has a stain on the back cover. I noticed that right away. Might be able to get that off with the Immaculate It's staining up here too. Looks like somebody put in something. Number 386 newsstand. Kurt Swan art. Carrie Bates and Kurt Swan. They did Superman for a very long time. Firmly attached centerfold. Cover is tight. Creamed off-white pages. Actually, I'm just going to say cream colored pages. These aren't even off-white. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Number 393 from March of 1984. Lots of creases on the spine, and one of them's really bad here. Might be able to get that out. I don't know. It'll still have the color break, but it might be able to clean it, make it a little better. It needs to be cleaned. It's not too bad, but it, it could use a cleaning anyway. Off-white pages. Actually, these pages might actually be considered white. No, they're off-white. And the way I tell, if you look here, it's nice and white. If you look here, it's kind of an off-white. So that's how I tell. If the edge was the same color as this, it'd be white pages. Firmly attached centerfold, firmly attached cover. Overall, a pretty nice copy. I would rate this one a fine. It's got some dimples here. Maybe I can get them out. Maybe I can't. They go through all. They seem to go all the way through the comic. I was going to put this at. Oh no. No. I'm going to put this one at a good to very good. It's got this tear here that I can probably repair. If I use I might be able to repair that with a little bit of methyl cellulose paste. And we'll give that a try. See what happens. That's a shame. Number 413. Dirty, nasty cover. I have that Hawkman figure somewhere. Off-white pages. Staples are firmly attached. Cover is firmly attached. Kurt Swan art. It's got some lines through the middle of some of it. So, yeah. Once I clean it and press it, it might actually hit fine to very fine. Very slight miswrap. Next up, this is a reprint. I do have the Treasury edition of this. I'm not going to dig it out right now. Maybe I'll show it next week. But this is a reprint of the Treasury edition that was $1 back in the day. White pages. I think they reprinted this in 1995. Copyright 1995, so yes, it was reprinted in 1995. It's the first print in the comic-sized format, but it is a reprint of the Treasury edition. Overall in pretty nice shape. It's got a little thing there. Probably wouldn't hurt to clean and press it. I'm going to give this one a fine plus. Superman Special #1. I have 2 copies of that. Let's see which one looks the nicer. This one has a miswrapped cover. This one has a nice cover. Both of them are in pretty nice shape. This one's dirty. Yeah, this one's really dirty. This one's really clean. Interesting. Off-white, cream to off-white pages. Actually a light tan pages on this one. And this one is cream colored pages. See, they do have a difference in the page color. Oh, I have a newsstand and a direct market. I'm keeping both of them. Yeah, I like both of those. Superman, Compliments of Radio Shack, the computers that saved Metropolis, the TRS-80 Computer Whiz Kids. This one is in pretty sad shape. It's got some color missing there. It's got a lot of spine ticks. I think I have some better copies of this somewhere. Looks like it has some very light staining on the top. I might try to get that out. Light tan, cream colored pages. Don't remember who did the artwork in this one. Jim Starlin did the art. How about that? All you Starlin fans out here, here's a Superman comic you need for your collection. Oh boy. Superman Annual #10. Needs to be cleaned. White pages. That was almost a surprise. Centerfold is tight. Cover is tight. Needs a clean. Needs a press. Needs a... Oh, crap. Look at all this ink up here. All the staining on the back cover. Man. Ballpoint pen. That's a bear to get off. I don't know if I can even do that. And the stupid camera shut off again. I guess I just have to go ahead and bite the bullet and buy a regular video camera so it'll stop shutting off on me. I mean, I love my DSLR Canon, don't get me wrong, but shutting off after 11 minutes is just a pain, and I cannot find any way to keep it from doing it. I've done everything that I've gone through the web. I've checked everything, and they say, oh yeah, do this, and it won't shut off, and it still shuts off after 11 minutes. I've managed to get it up to 11 from 10. I've got 2 more comics. I'm just going to show them what they are. There's actually 6 of them here. I've got 3 copies of Superman #1. This is the one I'm going to keep. It's in near mint condition. The others are, yeah, very fine to near mint, or somewhere around there. And then I've got 3 copies of Superman 2. I have a newsstand and 2 direct markets. I haven't really looked at them. Probably these 2 are the ones I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep a newsstand, obviously. I'm going to keep the direct market that's in the best condition. I think it's this one. Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's it. I'm just disgusted by this camera. I don't want to do it anymore. So there you go. That's my comics for today. Superman goodness. I have more Superman goodness I might be showing tomorrow. Actually, it's Superman's pal Jimmy Olsen and Superman Family that I might be showing next week. Or I might just go on a tangent and show something completely different. I don't know. Make sure before you handle your comics, cards, toys, whatever you're into, you wash your hands. Good for your comics. Good for your health. I do drop videos every day, Monday through Friday, and go live Thursday night. Tonight you can catch me on Patrick Murphy's channel. It's late with Patrick Murphy. So yeah, we'll see you next video. Bye.